What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Money 8, and today we making a pepperoni pizza covered with mustard. Hey, if you want to learn how I made it, tune in. It's your boy Cash Money 8. I'm out.
And what you don't want to do, you don't want to have it.
We're gonna take a bite out of it. Let's see.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Money Ace Gang. And guess what we're doing today? Making a pizza, no cap. Don't want to miss it. Boom, back at you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to prep your pizza crust. Your dough, however you want to, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Got all the holes so she breathe easy. All the marinara and the sauces, the flavor seeps through the pores of the dough. Hold on, guys. So boom, look. I got my Parmesan cheese, you know they go on top. I got my mild banana pepperonis, you know what I'm saying? Mount Olive brand. It don't matter which brand, depending on, how you feel about flavor. So boom, that's what I'm finna do. I'm gonna take this extra virgin olive oil and work it out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your brush, you're gonna coat your edges. Some people probably like, I ain't never seen nobody put oil on the pizza. That's cool, but you're gonna see it today. You're gonna see it today. Oil the thing up. I'm gonna show y'all in just a second what she looking like. I knew we had to show them how to make a pizza. So, alright. Get all up in there. Get all up in the cracks and crevices up in there, right? I'm about to turn our oven to 400 degrees. Alright, boom. So what we finna do next before we even, alright? It's set, flavor enhancer. So watch this. There's gonna be somebody in the comments, what is he doing? Tell I'm from the South, baby. Anything we cook got flavor, season, and I promise you, we gonna give you a reason to come back down here. Salt and pepper, yeah. Y'all gonna see. Y'all think it's a jam. You know what I'm saying? The salt and pepper is one of the main ingredients. You know what I'm saying? You don't just run top that marinara on it and it's just bland. You know, a lot of people like bland food in the Midwest and like towards Cali, like we people, y'all like the bland shit. We from the South, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all what we got going on. Gotta have the cheese, man. Sargento. Gotta have the Sargento, man. It's the moment of truth. This where y'all see how I get down, man. This the difference between my pizza and your mama pizza. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know mom, everybody don't like mama cooking. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna wipe it off. You gotta clean your tools off when you use it, man. When you clean your tools, I don't even want to eat it too much. We got that nice and clean, we separated it over the bar. Make sure you got as much pepper on it. What's that, Straight to the butter. Straight to the butter. temperature gonna do what it need to do. You know what I'm saying? Tell Cash Nasty, tell Aunt Kelly Muscle, boy, you can't see me with a flash. Like, I do this Cash Money Ace, I do this Cash Nasty. I'm coming for the title. Flight, I'm coming for the title, man. Watch this. And I tell y'all, I really do this. I don't wash my hands, so I ain't wanna put no little black gloves on today. I normally just use them for the green. Watch how I do my thing. Watch how I do my thing. Watch how good my piece of look compared to everybody. Watch how I do. I'm gonna get back to y'all in just a second, cause I gotta give y'all a B-roll, basically. Like we do with the content tip, I gotta give you a B-roll, baby. I'm gonna take those off. I don't like the ones that be like yellow and red. I be thinking something wrong with them, so I have to throw them away just like the trash. Throw them away, take care of it, wash out the face. So boom. Now, got the red goo, baby. Watch this. Let me take some notes. Like I said, we don't want no. We don't want no super shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, ran into a little issue, guys. Yep. Right, so, alright. We couldn't use the red goo. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of hot sauce. I know y'all looking like, what the? Yeah, watch this. Tell me once again, you ever had one like this in your life, man? Oh. So boom, do this. Yo. Yo. We need, oh, one more thing, remember I told y'all. Yeah, drop this. What's up, man? Alright, we back, man. I probably lost like 5 minutes of footage or whatever. But let's just get to my bedroom. So you can see the details. Baby. Oh, hold on, one more thing, one more special ingredient. Yeah, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, little puppy. You gonna get it. Yeah, you know what time it is, Mr. Nasty time. Ooh, y'all seen it? Let me go in on the details. Now, that's mustard now. Some of y'all looking at this like, man, this dude don't know what he doing. Watch this now, gang. 10 minutes later. I'll be back. I'll be back. 10 minutes. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cash, man. Ace. Guess what, gang? Today we finna make a motherfucking pizza. Tell your boy Cash Nasty tap in, man. I'ma show him how it's done. Come on, gang. Take a walk with me. Well, we got about 2 minutes left. Better hit 46 seconds. Stay tuned. No time, man. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Money 8, and today we making a pepperoni pizza covered with mustard. Hey, if you wanna learn how I made it, tune in. Boy Cash Money 8, I'm out. Yes, I gonna take the first bite. I gonna do best I can do. I was kind of in a rush, but I had to get the content out of y'all. So, hey, kudos to y'all. Hope you give the recipe a try.